Hi, my name is Class Inspector today. Inspecting this Jaguar E-Pace for you. It's insurance write-off category S, right? So let's just jump on a bodywork. That side is fine. Accident damage, repairs, replacement doors, respray on these parts. Vehicle has poor repair standard. That's welded. They replaced this section here of the B pillar and some inner part. Everything here is sort of visually welded with excessive fillers used. As you can see, spot welds are missing. And sections here cut, and there's another one welded. Same as here, missing rear marks, welded. So coming back to, there's an airbag light on, so there's open circuit on the airbag, deployment control, second row, left seat belt, potentiometer, pretensioner, I mean, curtain airbag, deployment. There's loads of NOx faults, particular temperature circuit, range performance and plausibility. Regards to curtain airbag fault, there's airbag cut out and missing, the curtain one on the right side. Balance floor extension is damaged. AdBlue tank is damaged, and obviously all those NOx sensor faults would be more likely related to it. They will come back as there's NOx sensors not registering the signal. They are in the red section, so that balance wall is damaged a bit up there, so that is not repaired. Due to the fact vehicle has so many issues relating to safety, like airbags, I mean the seat belts, this is not working. They're all frayed, and due to repair quality, there was no oil in it. The seller put at least between 2 to 3 liters of oil, and all these faults, this vehicle is in a poor condition, and I will stop in this inspection. And obviously there is still drips visible, like on here, as well as the doors being replaced. So yeah, due to the overall things, vehicle is in a poor condition, and I don't recommend this vehicle. And another thing what I forgot to mention, obviously the airbag has been blown on this side, and they repair stitching, which normally you don't do, and it's visible, they're coming apart, and you're doing it with one hand, as you can see. So vehicle's in poor condition. Thanks for using us.